Good morning, Teacher Anna. Good morning, classmates. How's your day? I hope we are all doing good and still healthy. Anyway, this is Brielle Huang, and I'll show you what's inside my booklet. Are you ready? Let's start. This is my booklet. My first list of nouns is all about school. Number 1. The school is big and beautiful. The noun in this sentence is school. Number 2. The school has a clock. The noun in this sentence is school. Number 3. The teacher is kind and smart. The noun in this sentence is teacher. Number 4. The children are friendly and generous. In that sentence, the noun is children. For the last sentence, the school has a tree and flowers which beautify the surroundings. In that sentence, the noun is school. Let's proceed to my second list of sentences. This is my family. My father is tall and handsome. The noun in this sentence is father. Next, my mother is generous and thoughtful. The word mother in this sentence is noun. Number 3. I am the oldest daughter and I have many talents. I wrote 3 nouns in this sentence: I, daughter, and talents. Number 4. My second sister is naughty but nice. The word sister in this sentence is a noun. Number 5. My youngest sister is playful and smart. In this sentence, the noun is sister. The sentences I presented are all about school and family, and those underlined words are example of noun. That's all for today's video. See you again next time. Bye-bye!